I sit on my porch in early spring, unwitting of wonders this day will bring, and look to the feeder, I hear them sing. A couple of cardinals take rest from the wing. His brilliant feathers of red are striking. A mate was never more to her liking. Together they frolic and flitter and sing until the final days of spring. A midday summer zephyr blows, and the number of birds at my feeder grows. But still the cardinal couple shows, as if to tout the mate they chose. But now a sense of purpose flows, a hidden nest of embryos. No time for courtship, I suppose. The days of summer come to a close. An autumn chill is in the air. Leaves of gold are everywhere. And all about the feeder there, in addition to the cardinal pair, several other red birds share the seed that lies uneaten there. A family raised with none to spare. It's time to fly on the autumn air. Winter paints the landscape gray. No birds attend the feeder today. But wait, do not my eyes betray? Brilliant feathers of red display. But why are you alone today? I fear I know, I dare not say. And for a moment, I thought he'd stay, before he turned and flew away.